In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal Business to Revolut. By the end, you'll have your Revolut Business account linked inside PayPal, so you can move funds smoothly and confidently. First, a quick prerequisite. PayPal currently only accepts Revolut Business accounts from specific countries. These include the United Kingdom, Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Spain. If your business isn't registered in one of these, you won't be able to add Revolut as a bank in PayPal yet. Next, make sure the bank details you add match the region where your PayPal account is registered. This is crucial. For example, if your PayPal account is set up in the UK, you must provide your GBP local account details for Revolut Business, specifically your sort code and account number. Using details from a different region or currency will cause the link to fail. Now let's add the account. Sign in to your PayPal business account. From your dashboard, go to the Banks section. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Banks or Banks and Cards. Choose Add a new bank. Have your Revolut business account details ready. You can find them in your Revolut Business app or web portal. Enter the account holder name exactly as it appears, select the correct currency, and carefully type your account numbers. Double check everything. A single digit off can delay verification. After you submit, PayPal will send a small deposit to your Revolut Business account that includes a confirmation code. This micro deposit can take up to a few days to arrive, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Keep an eye on the transaction section in your Revolut Business account. When the deposit appears, open the transaction details and look for the short confirmation code in the reference or description. Return to PayPal and enter that code to confirm the account. Once the code is accepted, your Revolut Business Bank account is linked. From there, you can move money from your PayPal balance to Revolut using PayPal's usual withdrawal flow, with funds arriving according to PayPal's processing times. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure your Revolut Business profile name matches your PayPal business name to avoid verification hiccups. If the code doesn't arrive after a few days, recheck the details you entered and try again. And always ensure you're using the local account details that correspond to your PayPal region and the supported countries list. That's it. Your Revolut Business account is now ready to receive transfers from PayPal.